Ulampang kaying darbar ke jela uba medba lingdo ulalum ya barok ki amani banya phliu jimut ha ka baidei par kejing kon jong ke jela yu knyang jingpang coronavirus ha kini jingilang la don lang do menteri rangba ke jela okon rat ki sama unong ilam kalyang persya u dr mukul sama bat kiwe de ki amani la don lang ru ha kini jingilang de ke he na ketran ke koi ke khia ha bakren begilap thai kbor hadimal awai ke jingilang uba medba ulong Bakamat baningkong balai keren kalong banang penbon susu ye kitiar berjaka ban eksamen balai na kino gijingma bacakta no kenyang jingpang covid khat kendai ulampang ulai thu bakiamen jong kejela da kawi kasur kilarai ban kentu ban pesngo thu ikpai ba bakimdei ban nyu ben ni petpo ye kibriu bacakta ho kenyang jingpang coronavirus bar kumjuru ye kibadan haki quarantine center hakeleng kejela Henry dei ban ai mensim yang tu barok bakinyo ya kejingko jingkia
But nasunong ba na dapat dokumen ba nakalit sarkar kalatoy stom haru dado chief minister dan minister ba kamtam ki officers but nurkat ba ki MLA maro nrupumut ki barai stom ha agi konsulsi level ko per denai ko ki ba nakwa pangan ban ba ne kelong ba kadon katukan ni ki case ki badon hapo state ke juli ki yo kubor bakadon ke jin isi bak ke jin nyoben ya gitu ki bayo ya kini ki kes barha wala pok state ke juni idang don nang khia ki bang next kam ban don shuru ki bakum gile ki positive case bang ni ban don kum kata ke jin snow bak ke jin event ya ki bakum kita nangka susu ngayo ega kubor ba ki don ki kena ki badan ki quarantine center Ibaran don haka jing penlong marway kat saus ni haka bakila yo ya ka phone call apa 108 bahadin bakila keli kilap ba kini kena kila jam baki kang haki jaka ki baki quarantine dele pedau kalau namar ba keimlang salam bakat tu kan ni kadon ke jing nyuben ni ki hukum kita ki ba watang masuk quarantine dele ki bampat day ki positive case dakane ko kubol na kwa ban kentu ya kinong sosnong jong ka state paro ko we bakin sumha ya ka ban kiar ya ka hukum kani pe jin snow to per na ka benta kini kina lani kino ki ba quarantine set ira de bat ya kini ki positive case hukum jo ha ji sisa ka ni ka kwa ko kini ban I'm safe ya ki perlok prajor ki badan aku kini di Jakarta di quarantine center lagi ki bagi positive case panai mesin mi kena bakit ko ki kiano bakna bakit light no ki kat saus ni ki quarantine period ki joki to ki bandan hak jimong ko terpang na ko ban tu hangi ki bagi deh ki para do ki para senam ki para marjan ki para marpa ki bahiyen ki basem ki basong ko shlong ko tha dan ada pun kali ke jumlah pakai jum slow ke jum kita tu kan ni nasi kan ni kan orang rejing rejing hot ke minum lah ya ke bang piang dari dulu dengan akar pajut jujur pada kepon nak kalian jonga hak abadi mat kadi rejing nyuben ya gitu ki quarantine hak center mo ber lalu ki quarantine hai lagi joki hak baki habat ndep ya kat sauter sni lakun no duna ya ke jimlong marway kenapa begitu kena bakim de kimdon yo ni covid-19 bakum juru naga bentang itu ki katwe kat atlet case ki bala register mentah apa ke state ini ki bala positif bakaju ru kalong bana kalian untuk imlang salah krisnong gatha marjan marpa kimde bandon kan kudu ke snow per na kabenta gini aku hukum gini di pol ini partai brokoi undon garanti menu ban ai bakal dia yang Jepang tanemuan lakumba arpo tu digis katunda dan arpo tu digis ni pasti ke juni ngira dan hak gentleman banum don kene kes ko itu nrai harus ni ko katunda dan arpo kalau anjar kes ko state juni kamu imla ganti nyundon kudu ke tikra bangin nyo ya kan yung punya Jepang oh idwai banum yo banum don yo punya Jepang nre ngidon apleng ke Kecilnya kejungi kumno Bandung pensaprian jauh ni kenyang Jepang Seri State. Ngilang kamha ya kecil terdekat nak kalian jong kinong senong jong kejela kejungi wapin sumha banai ketika mon ketika dia menjumpi ban ya terdekat bagi ek instruction dari kijing betah kibade nak kalian jong kesorka.
Unong ilam kaliang persya ag jela u Dr. Mukul Sangma habakren mekila ptai kebor ulai thu bahakni kejinglang la ya kren ru ya kilat ban wana biang ya kejinglong jingman kebabe ag jela banum syak ta palat hakayuk kakot kipai ba bat kejela ulong banyak kon na kejing sapreng la ya kren bandang beteng kejing tes na kebal luong bahak ban penseng thu baru i kipai ba da kistat kakot kekya kenang ba kipai ba kenam kelumar jingmun Shushu Dr. Mukul ulai thu bahak kene kejinglang la ya kren ban ajing mudru hakabai dei bat kejing penbiang ya kimar bam ban penselur kipai ba kejela ban penmi hi ya kejing bam kenang banam ya kendu jing e kem hakini kejing ja hak juga por lo gentui kipai ba bakim dei ban iben ya kitu gibreu basyak ta aku yang jingpang covid kat kendai hendai ban penselur gibreu bakin wan sekmat ban pa examen ya ladi lada kidan kano kejing song thot ha ka bormen.
Government has put in place many of the measures which are known to you. Government has been sharing these on a daily basis through their press briefing. And lots of stringent protocols which are required to be followed are also from time to time issued by Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India. Now, in addition to that, what are those areas which definitely are concerns pertaining to the affected people, and as we look forward for unlocking the lockdown period, opening up of the economy, how we actually look at to somehow slowly look at undoing the stress to which our people has been subjected to. All these issues have been discussed. Important aspect which we discuss is, of course, keeping in mind the number of people who are required to be tested, to ramp up the testing capacities. At the moment, whatever testing capacities are already there, government has been able to get some more additional testing capacity in in-house capacity, I must say. But in addition to that, since this period should be also taken as a very important period when we should be looking at the areas where we need to further improve. In other words, it's a precious time that has been made available through these extreme measures, extraordinary measure of resorting to a complete lockdown to gain time, slow down the transmission, contain the likely spread of the outbreak. But this time to be utilized to further prepare, keeping in mind the likely challenges based on what we anticipate. So those are things which we have appropriately articulated. So ramping up of the testing, and again at the same time there are two types of testing which we have shared. This must be shared with the community, with the people. Otherwise, there will be lots of interpretation amongst our people. This test has indicated positive, this test has indicated negative. Lots of confusion. So, idea is to have complete exercise to share informations with people, which is both from the medical perspective, the information which is required to be shared by people from professional background, which is available based on the various documentation, the various extensive research being done, and whatever informations are made available by the scientific community, the people who are trying to still know more about the virus, how there are certain amount of surprises that we are seeing in course of this pandemic. All these things, when we share with people, then people actually know more about the virus and therefore know how to actually realign our strategy to win the war against the COVID-19 virus. And keeping this in mind, the government has also said that they will keep on looking at further ramping up the capacity to test, and that must be a continuous process, because until we have a vaccine, we must always be prepared to ensure that in the event of any surge, in the event of any surge or any similar kind of wave coming, how we can actually again insulate our people and contain the likely spread. And at the same time, how, based on these, how various reasons for the kind of suffering that people have been subjected to, the hardship, the access to regular supply of the essential commodities, the shortage of food, the shortage of vegetable, and farmers' distress because of not being able to sell their produced perishable agricultural, horticultural produce, how they can be attended to, and how in future we will also look at self-sufficiency in food. We are happy to share that in the preceding year the state of Meghalaya has received award from Government of India for successive years for being able to increase our food production, the rice production. Similarly, I think it's time for us to really reach out to people, look at how we can further increase our food production, including self-sufficiency in vegetable and fruits, and how this can actually help the state, the people of the state, to retain money, earn more money. It will increase earning. At the same time, it will somehow reduce the flight of capital, the money which goes outside. I think those are few things which we have looked at.
Nakalyong menteri rang ba kejela ukanrat ke sama ulayat hu ba kejinglang da kawe kesur kepenpau ba kejela kayatli ha kene kejingkon persya yone knyang jingpang coronavirus ulong ba kila bandan kejingduna hangni hangtai nakalyang sarkar hendai kum kini kejinglang ke amin sim ba yo ru shibon kejimut na borok kidekot ban nyatrelang na benta kejing singan kepaj ba kejela ulong ba kejinglang klalong ke besaiso ba sarkar kan sim ya borok kejing ajimut na benta kejing mentai kejela.
That the most important message of this meeting is that we as political leaders and as legislatures are united in this fight, and that we will work together as a team to ensure that we take all the steps and measures required to ensure that our people and our state is safe. Friends, having said that, I think it's also very important to know that government has taken different steps. We had a long presentation on all those details, but obviously there are a lot of areas which we can improve on. And part of this meeting was also to really broaden the discussion and understand and take suggestions from everyone. And we're very happy because it was a very constructive meeting we had, where a lot of constructive points were brought forward and suggestions were brought forward, and we have taken note of all the suggestions. And obviously there are constraints in everything that we do. So with those limited constraints that are there, every aspect will be scrutinized, and we will try to improve on every suggestion that has been mentioned by all the members who are present here today. And I think we will be preparing a joint statement which will of course be sent out by the Honourable Speaker, and I think that will also sum up a few of the points that were there.